Officially welcoming you to our new baking series, and based on popular demand, we'll be starting with the nice, fresh, soft bread like agege bread. So, in a large bowl, adding some sugar first. We're gonna add some yeast. Not to worry, all ingredients used in this video will be written with their measurement in the description below, so you should do it to check it. Going on with some milk. Actually, not some milk, should be a lot of milk. Actually, depending on you, of course. Just stir these three basic ingredients first, trying to activate the yeast, and after it has sat for a while, add in some eggs, whisk briefly, and just to like stir everything together, make the yeast go in together, add in some more sugar. Now goes with the flour. This actually depends on the size you want it, but it's best to add this flour like gradually, so you'd know the consistency, because you don't want your dough to be hard at all. You actually need it to be soft, so you just keep stirring. Basically, I decided to use just go in with not too much kneading, not using my electric mixer, so just to show you that you can actually do it and it's not so stressful. Basically, adding some more flour, keep stirring till it starts coming together like a dough. I mean, it's still gonna look messy if you're gonna use your hands right now, so just keep adding some more flour. There is one more, the last ingredient, which you should actually add later, and that's the butter. I prefer to add my butter at the final phase, because that kind of I don't know, I feel like that's like the secret to getting very soft bread. Yeah, it looks like so mushy and everything. Just don't worry, keep adding flour gradually and keep mixing, keep mixing. You really don't need to knead for this recipe, so it's gonna be fine. Just keep mixing and everything. Well, this is probably gonna be the first of so many videos to come by God's grace, and I'm looking forward to sharing so many recipes from me to you guys. So do well to subscribe, do well to turn on your post notifications and everything, and I'll try to upload a video every week, so please do well to share to your friends, and also like, comment and subscribe, and you can also tell me what you want me to do. So transferring it to your working table, just knead it for very few seconds. Basically, you're trying to make everything well balanced, so going in I'm doing from the sides to the middle, just doing that gradually, and adding some more flour again. I mean, this is the consistency you should be looking for if you want your bread to come out really soft. It doesn't matter if it's so hard, just keep doing it. Basically, transferring it to a greased bowl. I'm using the same bowl as I used before, and then I covered it with a cling film. You can cover it with a towel or anything, it's your choice. Now I let it to sit for few minutes, say 30 to 40 minutes. This stage is actually optional, it just depends on you. So now I'm gonna cut into 4 different parts first, and I would now cut into smaller parts. As I said, the measurement and everything will be in the description below, and I'll probably make another video working with a smaller size recipe, because I actually was planning on doing quite a lot. So for starters, I think should work with a smaller quantity. Basically, I'm going to cut them out in smaller pieces and roll them in small balls. You can see that's very easy to do. Just fold the sides to the middle, and then make a surface basically. I mean, how are you guys doing? Are you all fine? How does my voice sound like? I still have like the flu, so my voice is like perfectly fine. I mean, I've missed you guys. This is no like her this time around, but you know, I kind of like rebranded my channel, so I will not be focusing just on it right now. Focusing more, you know, like on like I'll be more generalized this time around, and I hope you guys like stick with me and support me. So it looks so ugly in the pan right now, but not to worry, it's gonna rise. Now the duration for it to rise depends solely on you. You just have to check it. If you're satisfied with how much it has risen, just like this took about an hour to rise, but it depends on you and also depends on the temperature of the room, so just keep checking it. Basically, I'm gonna wash it with some eggs and milk, and yeah, you know, this is it after it came out. I mean, it looks so nice, guys. Like, it looks so nice and so brown and so nice. See, baking took about 30-20 minutes on temperature of 160 degrees Celsius. So this is how fluffy and nice it looked. Don't mind my nails. Don't mind it. Anyways, everyone loved it, and I hope you do try it out. Tell me if you will try it out in the description, in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Have a nice week. Bye.